Hello students, this is our second lecture on population of forecasting, and also this is the second method of population forecasting is geometrical increase method. Geometrical increase method is based on assumption that the average percentage increase in population from decade to decade is constant. Now in this percentage, average increase in population is calculated. From that average increase in population, percentage increase is calculated and then taken average of all decades, and that average considered for next population calculation. From census data of previous decade, the percentage increase between consecutive decade is find out, and then its average is worked out. By using this method, future population is worked out by using following formula. Now in second line given, from census data of previous decades, the percentage increase between consecutive decades is calculated, and from calculated percentage average is taken out, and that average is used here, and this is the assumption of geometrical increase method. Average percentage increase from decade to decade is constant. Here average percentage considered constant throughout the decade to decade. Now formula to calculate future population by using a geometrical increase method. Pn equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to n. Here P present population or last year population or current year population, R average percentage increase per decade, and Pn population after the end decade. Suitability of this method for towns having large scope of expansion, the city continuously taking development and urbanization. So this method is applicable that particular town, and in this method population continuously increasing, and also in future constant rate of growth is expected. Now in Marathi या मेथडमध्ये ॲव्हरेज इन्क्रीज इन पर्सेंटेज कॅल्क्युलेट केलं जातं, आणि जे काही पर्सेंटेज कॅल्क्युलेट केलं जातं ते ह्याच्यामध्ये अजम्पशन कन्सिडर केलेलं आहे, आणि त्या अजम्पशनच्या बेसवर ह्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येक डिकेडला ह्या ठराविक पर्सेंटेजनं पॉप्युलेशन वाढतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल उदाहरण घेऊ आपण 20%. तर जे काही डिकेड आहे, जे काही दशक आहे, त्या दशकाच्या मध्ये त्या 20% आपली लोकसंख्या वाढणार, आणि पुढील जे काही दशक आहे त्याही दशकमध्ये आपली 20% लोकसंख्या वाढणार, आणि त्या पुढीलही जे काही दशक आहे त्या दशकामध्ये देखील आपली 20% लोकसंख्या वाढणार. हे आपण हे उदाहरण घेतो. म्हणजेच याच्यामध्ये जे काही ॲव्हरेज पर्सेंटेज इन्क्रीज आहे ते ह्याच्यामध्ये कन्सिडर केलं जातं कॉन्स्टंट. The numerical on arithmetic increase method, geometrical increase method. The following data shows the variation in population of a town. Estimate the population of the town in 2020 using geometrical increase method. In numerical, given one table, year and population table. Year started from 1941 up to 1991. Population given in 1000, 72,000, 85,000, 1,10,000, 144,000, 184,000, 2,21,000, Here 72,000, 85,000, 1,10,000, 1,44,000, 1,84,000, 2,24,000. This is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 rows, sorry, 7 columns. 7 columns are converted into 9 rows in this method. Now first column is, this is the standard format to calculate the numerical by using arithmetical method. First column, year, population, increase in population, percentage increase in population. Year, this is the first year given in year 1941, write down vertically year. This is second year 1951, third year 1961, fourth year 1971, right here 1981, 1981, 1991, 1991. Now write population whatever given below the years. So 72,000 population given below the 1941, right in population column. This is the completed column of population. Next, calculate increase in population. 85 minus 72,000, 13,000. Next, 1,10,000 minus 85,000, 25,000. Next, 1,44,000 minus 1,10,000, 34,000. Next, 1,84,000 minus 144,000, 40,000. Next, 2,21,000 minus 184,000, 37,000. Next, after completion of increase in population column, calculate percentage increase in population, means value of R. Now this is 13,000 upon 72,000 into 100. This value convert in percentage, and percentage is 18.05. Next, 25,000 into 100 upon 85 equal to 29.41. Next, calculate percentage in between 1961 and 1971. Similarly, calculate as above. 34,000 into 100 upon 1,10,000, 1,10,000 equal to 30.19. Next, calculate percentage in between 1971 and 1981. 40,000 into 100 upon 1,44,000, 27.78. Next, calculate percentage in between 1981 to 1991. This is the increase in population. 37,000 into 100 upon 1,84,000. This is taken from here, 1,84,000, and percentage is 20.11. Now make addition of all these percentage. 18.05 plus 29.45, 30.95, sorry 91 plus 27.78, 20.11. Now total addition of this percentage is 126.26. Now this is the total percentage. We need average percentage. Now this is the total percentage, and total numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5 to this number. We get average percentage 25.25. This is the R, value of R, average percentage. Next, average percentage increase R equal to 25.25, calculated as above. Next, our formula is Pn equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 into N. Now R calculated here 25.25. Now we need only N, number of decade. In numerical given to calculate the population at 2021, this is 2020 and 21, we need to calculate the population at this year. This is the future year, and this is the present year 1991. This is the 2021 future year, and last year considered as present year. Now number of decade equal to future year minus last year upon 10. 21 sorry 2021 minus 1991 equal to 30. 30 upon 100, 3 decades. Number of decades 3. Now we have average percentage increase 25.25, and number of decades 3 decades. And also we need present population or last year population. In given last year column, sorry, last year rows, 2,21,000. We have all value, only put this value in formula and calculate future population in year 2021. In this numerical we need only average percentage increase, means R, value of R 25.25. Next, N, number of decade, and present population given in our last year population in given last rows. This is the last year, and in last year rows, in last year row, in last year total population 2,21,000. Now our formula is Pn equal to P1 plus R upon 100 bracket raised to N. Now 2,21,000 last year population or present year population plus in bracket 1 plus R, value of R 25.25 upon 100 bracket to N. 3 N is number of decades, and calculate the population at 2021. Total answer is 4,34,235 persons or peoples. This is the final answer or population calculated at the end of 2021. From numerical we can clearly state that this method is based on the assumption that average percentage increase in population from decade to decade constant. This is the average percentage. Now consider these are the decades started from 1941 up to 1991. In between this decade average percentage increased 25.25% for throughout the decade, for all decades.